Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open command prompt as administrator to create an official battery report. Type powerclick/battery report and press enter to generate battery report. HTML. Note the folder path shown in the command prompt output after the command runs. Open File Explorer and navigate to the generated battery report. HTML file. Double-click the file to open it in your web browser. Read the design capacity and full charge capacity numbers shown in MWH to assess health. Review recent usage and battery usage graphs for hourly and daily drain patterns. Click the battery icon in the menu bar while holding the Option key to see cycle count and condition. Open System Settings and choose Battery to view usage history and see energy impact per app. Look for maximum capacity or condition text and compare cycle count to Apple limits. For a quick numerical readout, open Terminal and type pmset/gbat to display percentage and time remaining. Use these numbers to judge whether to calibrate, replace, or adjust settings for longer runtime. Open a terminal to inspect battery values provided by the system. Run upoweri/org/freedesktop/upower/devices/battery BAT0 to display EnergyFull and EnergyFull design in WH or MWH. You can also read plain files under /sys/class/power supply/BAT0/ like capacity, voltage now, and status for raw numbers. Install TLP and run sudo tlpstat b for an organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.